Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to memorize algorithms faster. So, for example, you know the main algorithm sets for the 3x3 Rubik's Cube is mainly going to be the OLL and the PLL. And after memorizing these algorithms, you should be able to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 10 seconds. And if you can't or want to improve even more, then you can learn one of the CLL or ZBLL or winter variation cases. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to memorize these algorithms way faster. So, for example, my first tip is going to be repeating the algorithm that you want to learn over and over again. For example, I am just going to learn the JB-perm algorithm, which is this, over and over again. And I'll here have a time lapse of me doing it. Alright, so I repeated that algorithms for about 20 times or so. And now what I'm going to do, and you guys probably doesn't know this, but I'm just going to set the cube apart and then do something else for about 10 or so minutes. By doing that, my brain actually tries to memorize the algorithm when I'm doing something else. For example, I can do some of my homework for other classes, and then when I get back to the cube 10 minutes after, I am going to basically try to recreate the algorithm and see if I remember that. And then if you do remember it, then you can just repeat the process again, but wait 20 minutes. If you don't remember it, then repeat the process from the start again. And then after 20 minutes of doing something else, you can come back and see if you remember the algorithm. Well, in my case, I do. Then I can just leave the algorithm away and then just come back to it tomorrow and then see if I memorize it. If I don't, then repeat the process from the start. If I do, then I can just use a website, an algorithm trainer website, something like jperm.net or besttimeever.ru, and I will just practice the algorithm. For example, just follow the algorithm or the scramble that is provided by the website, and you will get a case that you have already learned. And then I will just time myself doing that actual case, and then basically you will track all of my progress and until I memorize the whole algorithm. And this is also how I got full OLL, and right now I'm working on full PLL. So one last tip is when you're memorizing an algorithm, for example, the C-shape, this algorithm, I can just do it over and over again starting from a solved position. And then eventually, after I do it numerous times, it depends on the algorithm length, but after I do it numerous times, it will become solved again. For example, here is it solved, and then I'll do a different algorithm. Whoa, okay, that's 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and then this is the last time. And as you can see right there, as the cube is solved again. So yeah, that is all I have to say about algorithm memorizing. Good luck on all of your algorithms, and if you have any questions, please remember to write them down in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video. Bye!